Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, J-Rock Yoga. My name's Jess, and today by the end of this video, you're going to learn how to practice low lunge or Anjaneyasana. So if you're interested in learning Anjaneyasana, just keep watching. Okay, let's start at the top of your mat. So come to stand at the top of your mat, root down through your right foot, and let's step your left foot back about 3 feet. So now we're in a high crescent lunge variation. What we're gonna do is check in with the belly, make sure we're not deeply bending into the back, pull the belly in and up as we drop the tailbone down toward the earth, and then magnetize the outer thighs inward, so like you have a center line that they're pulling in toward, and slowly start to lower your back knee down toward the ground. So up to you whether you want your toes tucked or untucked here, depending on how your knee feels. But I like to untuck. And then if the knee is going way, way, way over the ankle, once you drop your back knee down, I would say wiggle it a little bit forward. So now we're going to check in again. Now that our knee is on the ground, did we lose that core engagement, and are we really arching into our back? If we are, let's stand up nice and tall. Pull about 2 inches below the belly button, in and up toward the spine as we drop the tailbone down toward the earth. And again, it's not a super tucking action, it's just gently dropping the tail down toward the earth. Good. So you could either have the hands right here on the top of your right thigh for support, or maybe you want to reach the arms up toward the sky. But let's explore how we're feeling here, because sometimes we get a little bit wobbly. I'd like you to imagine your front heel trying to magnetize towards your back knee, almost like you're trying to close the gap in between them. Once you start to do that, you pull them toward one another on the mat, you're going to feel the front of your left quad really start to stretch, right? Each inhale, think about pulling up through the heart and through the crown of the head. Each exhale, magnetize the feet and the knee together and start to soften down into your left hip. Good, the left quad is stretching, everything's stretching. Don't lose that magnet feeling of the right knee or the right heel towards the left knee, and keep drawing left thigh down and forward. If it feels all right for you, you could reach up, spreading the fingers, lifting the gaze, maybe take it into a little bit of a heart lift. So there you have it. That's Anjaneyasana. I hope you like this video, and if you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'm at jrockyoga, and my website is jrockyoga.com. Again, I hope this helped you, and we will see you again next week.